In this video, I'll show you how to get a free soda or chips from this kind of vending machine. All you have to do is insert your dollar. As you can see, there's no dollar in there. You insert it and then press the return. Take your dollar and then put it in once again. Then choose a soda or chips. I'll choose 56. Put 5, 6, and then press the return. Hold it. It'll drop one and it'll drop another one. And then you'll see it'll return your change. Please make another selection. Then press return. Then you get your dollar again. Then you get 2 soda, 1, oh, where'd the other one go? And 2. That's it.